Alright, what'd you get, baby?
He went away!
Oh gosh, where'd he go?
Oh, his level!
I think she was teasing, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm waiting for this whole guy.
Let me see, baby.
He's crushed.
You killed him!
Oh!
Holy bat fart!
No,
That wasn't very nice.
Hard. All right, Kirsten.
Allie, she killed him, didn't she?
It's all right,
Wood.
Kirsten. Well, we can't fish him in the house.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're hitting the bike path right now. Check it out. What's up, boys? What's up? Okay, we're still on our bicycles. We found a bunny rabbit. Let's go see if we can sneak up on him. Christian. You guys get ready for him, okay? Stay there. All two of them. Great. Come here, bunnies. Come here, my little bunnies. I got hit in the eye with a bug and I had to put the camera down.
Oh, you did?
Yes. What's going on, guys? Found an old railroad bridge. Checking it out. Converted it over on the bike path. What do you see, buddy?
A snake.
You see it?
It went down there.
You know what I think is a big old copperhead.
Where?
One of the most poisonous, venomous snakes
Where's
in
it
all
at?
of South.
Where's it at?
I don't- I'm teasing, guys.
Oh.
How's it going to see one?
Let's go get a stick and we'll poke it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's angry.
Ooh.
He's angry.
It's angry. It's angry.
What's down there?
Oh, probably a bunch of dead bodies, corpses. You know, just the normal stuff.
That's crazy.
Pretty cool, huh, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, look at the dragonfly.
Where's
On
that?
the tree.
The black and yellow.
Awesome. I see him.
See the black and yellow?
I see.
Where's the fish?
Why is that guy standing down there with a machete in his hand?
Hey.
What?
So what do you think, man? You like this or what?
Yeah. You would dive.
I think somebody needs to climb on top of the bridge. All the way up on top of that middle part.
Yeah, but I'll have to get on there.
No, come on, puss. Do it right here. Come on, Mighty. Do it right here.
Get on there.
You would not dive.
Oh God.
All right, here's Brandon. He's trying to climb the ultimate bridge. Dun dun
Let me
dun.
down.
Levi, stop. He's pretty ways up there.
Alright, I'm getting down.
I got Levi. Got the boy's boy.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
How'd you get up there?
You
and stand up there
survived.
with the BMX. I can't
See,
do that.
it's easy to stand with the BMX up there. Pretty cool.
More bike rider.
Pretty cool. We're taking the bike path out here by our house today. Just me and the two boys. The rest of the kids are home, hanging out with mommy. Found a little old caboose out here. Check this out. Don't open it, no, don't. There's a sign on the door that says keep out.
Is there a mom in there or something?
Probably a hobo living in there, huh?
Yeah? What are you looking at, huh?
What are you looking at? What are you looking at, butthead?
Portal Power Pack. What's that?
You know what that means.
What?
It's this thing that takes you into another dimension. A different life that you'll never know.
Oh my gosh, Dad, they got a Pepsi bottle that's like 85 years old. You should see it.
Okay, come on guys, let's roll. Let's hit the bike path.
Look how old it looks.
Come on, shut the door, guys.
Come on.
Alright, we're going to head back down the bike path here.
Look, I'm
Takes a little trip.
Whoa.
Kick back and take it easy. It's like, I don't know. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. You guys ready to roll? Let's do it.
Go. Brandino wins.
Go help your brother.
Okay.
What's in there?
That's the old railroad station. It's where trains used to have to pick people up and check in and all that.
Can we go look at it?
Sure. Alright, we found this old log cabin out here. Pretty cool. Some dude in there watching TV. I don't think he minds us sneaking up on his front porch.
Yeah, he's right there playing Xbox.
Is he playing Xbox?
Yeah.
Man, it don't get no more older than this, does it?
You got a bed with a teddy bear. See it?
Yeah.
I don't see him.
Cool.
There's Xbox. Oh, look at the big screen TV.
I know.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Okay, where is he? Where's he at?
He's right over there playing his Xbox. See him?
No.
Look at him. There he is. See him? I can see him.
He works for Infinity Ward. He's already got Mars for free.
Don't see him.
Yeah. Oh, he's got the HDMI cable all hooked up. Oh,
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. That's pretty
I know.
awesome.
Where's he at?
Don't you
Yeah.
see him, Levi?
I don't see him.
Here comes Lazy Man now.
It's about time. Look at his little legs.
Be quiet, Cricket.
Pretty cool taking a bike ride, isn't it, man?
Yeah.